Happy birthday, Ate Rhea. Alam mo naman, ikaw ang unika iha ng ating pamilya. Wishing all the best. Welcome to the adulthood. And be a good girl always. Mommy and Daddy always loves you.
Alam mo, mahal na mahal ka namin, anak. Lagi kami nakasuporta sa iyo. Alam ko, napakatalino mo. Kaya, lahat ng mga pasya mo, susuportahan namin. Mahal na mahal ka namin. Happy birthday, Rhea!
Happy 18th birthday. Alam kong makakatapos ka ng pag-aaral at saka alam kong mahal na mahal ka ng iyong mami at daddy. Sana makatapos ka ng pag-aaral mo at matupad mong lahat ng pangarap mo. I love you, Rhea. Happy birthday ulit.
Ladies and gentlemen, the biggest round of applause for Rhea Burgos.
Hands up, Gabriella, Gabriella, hands up, Gabriella, la la. Back off from my fella, Gabriella, back off, Gabriella, la la. 'Cause you can have anyone else you wanted to. I'm begging you, hands off, Gabriella, Gabriella, hands off, Gabriella, la la, la la la. Skin on a little.
First of all, gusto kong i-wish na sana makamit mo lahat ng dreams and future endeavors mo. Sana mag-succeed ka. Best wishes sa'yo. Good luck. Good luck sa college, sa medtech. Sana makapagtapos ka. Yan. Do your best. Always love yourself. Mahalin mo sarili mo kasi mahal na mahal ka namin. I love you, bestie. Happy birthday.
Happy 18th birthday, Rhea! Happy 18th birthday, Rhea! Happy 18th birthday, Rhea!
You can have anyone else you wanted to. I'm begging you, hands off, Gabriella, Gabriella, hands off, Gabriella, la la, la 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 la.
She is a very jolly person. Kasi kapag nagkakasama kami, super happy niya and lagi kami nag-hug and nag-a-appear sa isa't isa.
She is very youthful since siya yung pinakabata sa amin nung LM and ngayon siya pa rin yung pinakabata and nag-turn na siya into a lady.
Happy birthday, Rhea. Sana makagraduate ka at makamit po yung gusto mong trabaho. Lumaban ka kahit anumang itagi sa iyo ng mundo. At ayun, inaasahan kita magkikita tayo sa dulo ulit.
I'm begging you, hands off, Gabriella.